Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing single player legendary event, the dragon that rules the sky. We have gotten Zinnia already, and now it's time for Challenge Team Break Part 1. Let's do this! Dragon and flying, guys. Dragon and flying. We don't exactly. Ugh. Probably will bring along lands. Bring along blue and
just leave everything to me.
Just bring price along. And here we go, guys.
Let's see who's the best. Here we go.
Here we come!
Now, here I come. Behold.
Hyper Beam.
Now's my chance.
Should we use now or never?
Now is my opportunity. That'll do it.
And HP cut.
Now's my chance.
Air
You
cutter.
can do it!
Go.
And he's still alive. What the heck?
Now is my opportunity.
Let's just use now or never once
That'll
again.
do it. Fight. Here we come.
Sing move.
Here we come. Now. What can we learn from this? Here we come.
And that's it.
Something went wrong.
That was Challenge Team Break Part 1. And we have defeated
Victory is
this
ours.
stage. Thank you guys for watching. There's a part 2. I'll see you guys there in the next video. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. See you later.